In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with your Godaddy domain, updated for 2025. Whether you're just starting your online presence or looking to revamp your existing one, I'll guide you through each step of the process to make it as smooth as possible. To begin, head over to the Godaddy website. This is where we'll get everything set up for your new site. Once there, locate the domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools section. You might find this on the main menu or the homepage itself. This section is your gateway to all the domain management tools offered by Godaddy. Now let's navigate to the product section on the Godaddy website interface. This part of the website is crucial because it houses all the services and tools Godaddy offers, and it's where you initiate the setup process of your website. Once you're in the product section, you'll see an option to set up a free website. Go ahead and click on it. Setting up a free website here is an excellent choice for beginners or anyone looking for a simplified process to get started. It's straightforward and will guide you through the essential steps without any unnecessary complications. After clicking on the free website setup, the interface will prompt you to continue, so click on that. Moving forward from this point, Godaddy makes the process relatively straightforward by guiding you step by step. Now it's time to select a category for your website. Choosing the right category is essential because it helps tailor the templates and resources Godaddy provides according to your specific needs. This will make your website more relevant and attractive to your target audience. Once you've chosen your category, hit the continue button again. Next, you'll need to type in your store name. This name will appear on your website and serve as a significant aspect of your brand identity. Make sure it reflects what your site is about, ensuring it is memorable and easy to spell. Once that's done, it's time to click continue. After the setup confirms your store name, go ahead and proceed by clicking continue again. Godaddy will queue you for more specific business details, but for now just continue to the next section. In the upcoming step, you will be given the option to provide business contact information. While it's essential to provide accurate details, you can click continue again if you're not ready to fill all this out immediately. Finally, you'll arrive at the point where it suggests skipping a step regarding business descriptions. While these descriptions can enhance your website's appeal and information, for this initial setup, feel free to skip it. And there you have it, a basic setup for your Godaddy website. Once complete, take some time to explore and customize further. Your unique touch will bring your site to life and resonate with your audience. Happy website building!